Hi, I'm Conor Compton. I'm from Rexford, New York, and I'm here for heavy equipment operations. I'm also a proud member of the swimming and diving team. I'm a diver here at Alfred State, and I was fortunate enough to be on the AMCC championship team. I chose Alfred State because of the heavy equipment program we have here. I really enjoyed when I visited. I got to see all the equipment. I got to see all the hands-on work that we get to do here. And the teachers and the people were really nice. And the coolest part is I get to participate in the diving team, which is something not a lot of trade programs will allow you to do. I love being outside. That's probably my favorite part about this job. I really love the hands-on work, and that was really what I was looking for. So after I'm done with my day here at Wellsville, I head back home to the dorms, and this is the part that I really love about college is how much freedom I have. Being here at college, I get a lot of people to hang out with. I go back to the dorms, I hang out with my buddies for a little bit before practice. I eat some food, gotta fuel up, and then I head to practice. And I love practice, that's probably the best part of my day. It's a time for me to relax, kind of unwind, and then head back to the dorms, do any schoolwork I have to do and any schoolwork I didn't finish, and then hang out with my buddies right before bed, and then get to bed. Alfred State has been heavy on my education, and now I'm equipped to dive into my future.
Hit the ground running, hit the ground running.